2020. This is Hietapellonkuja. 4. It's the only staircase in this residential building.
Yeah.
Look at this. Such a beautiful architecture. Post-modern. Late 1990s. I just love it. But it's not a scenic elevator.
Yeah.
It's still very nice. Built in 1998, 55400. This used to be on the rundown elevator. It was indeed, I remember.
Yeah.
5540, 8 persons, 630 grams, weight 5 floors. Rot hydraulic.
Yeah.
With automatic doors. A little bit rare from the late 1990s with automatic doors in residential buildings in Finland from Semag.
Yeah.
But this is also found in Hietapellonkuja Vantaa from 1997.
Yeah.
There are 2 more of these that I have to film. So hopefully I'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or as soon as possible. It's already turning 25 years old in 2023. It's going to be inspected next year, 2021. Hopefully it doesn't get replaced like in Hietapellonkuja Vantaa. So.
Yeah.
Look how fresh it is. Cameras.
On the right.
Yeah, yes, of course. Semag has his technical core. Does it have full memory? Yeah, it does.
Inspekteert kiva inspektera, maintain silloin.
Not the best possible maintenance.
Yeah.
But still not too bad.
But even some generic maintenance are better than Schindler maintenance sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah.
I'll press 1. Back to full. This is gonna close faster if I do this. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Didn't stop very long.